Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to aim like a pro in COD Warzone Mobile. To improve your aim in COD Warzone Mobile, here's what you're going to do. Find a sensitivity setting that works for you. So go to your settings, then go to sensitivity tab. Experiment with different sensitivities until you find one that allows you to aim accurately while maintaining control. Like any skill, aiming improves with practice. Spend time in the game's training mode or play regularly to refine your aim. Keep your crosshair at head level and centered on where you expect enemies to appear. This reduces the distance you need to move your aim while engaging targets. Always aim down sight when engaging enemies at medium to long range for better accuracy. Anticipate enemy movements and pre-aim at common spots where enemies are likely to appear. This reduces your reaction time when engaging enemies. Learn to control recoil by pulling down on your aim slightly while firing. This helps you keep your shots on target, especially during sustained fire. Instead of holding down the trigger, use short bursts to maintain accuracy, especially at long ranges. Move side to side while shooting to make yourself a harder target for enemies while maintaining accuracy. Always keep your crosshair at head level and aim for head for quicker kills. Position yourself behind cover and peek out to take shots, minimizing your exposure to enemy fire. Work your flick shots to quickly aim at and eliminate targets that appear suddenly. Take advantage of aim assist features in the game settings if available to help you stay on target. Avoid panicking when engaging enemies. Stay calm and focus to maintain accuracy under pressure. Avoid unnecessary movements while aiming as it can throw off your aim. Try to keep your movements smooth and controlled. Review your gameplay to identify areas for improvement. Pay attention to when you miss shots and analyze what you could have done differently. Customize your controls to suit your preferences and play style for better comfort and accuracy. Use headphones to hear enemy footsteps and gunfire, giving you clue to their whereabouts and allowing you to pre-aim accordingly. Work on tracking moving targets by following their movements with your crosshair, anticipating their path. And that's how to aim like a pro in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.